Okay, good afternoon. I don't think, Chandigarh, you heard me. Good afternoon. Okay, trust me, it's a beautiful April afternoon. Normally we expect more humid, more moist, more warm afternoons, but Chandigarh was never this beautiful in April as it is these days. Yes or no? Right. And it's a Baisakhi day, so what an auspicious day to organize a TED event. Let me congratulate the TED fraternity, the PEC community here, to organize a beautiful event like this. And the topic that all of us have been given is the purpose of purpose. You know, it's like a square of something, purpose of purpose. And for me, purpose of purpose is nothing but progressive elimination of distractions which reduce my intensity from a goal. Purpose of purpose is nothing but reducing the fog which obviates me from the visibility of my goals. Purpose of purpose is to reduce the noise which prevents me from hearing aloud where I wish to belong to. Purpose of purpose is nothing but a goal-seeking machinery in my mind. Right. For example, if I were to just throw a cannonball onto something, it may or may not hit the target. But if I were to use a missile, it would definitely go because of the computer on board, the chip on board, and definitely strike the target. So the missile could be assumed or deemed to be having a purpose of purpose. So a purpose of purpose is not basic, but something which is evolved. Unfortunately, or I'll say ironically, most of us, when we grew up in our schools, no teacher in our school, at least in my school, I can vouch for you also, taught us about goals, or goal setting, or why should we have purposes about what we do in our lives. Unfortunate, no? We study everything, but not the most important aspect. हमारे स्कूल ने हमें समझदार बनाया, है ना? Everything told us that we should be समझदार, but no one told us how to be romanticists, how to be दीवानाs, right? समझदार तो हम सब बहुत हैं, right? लेकिन थोड़ा दीवाना बनने की जरूरत है, because हम अगर इतना जागेंगे तो फिर ख्वाब कैसे देखेंगे मुझे लगता है, और हिंदुस्तान ख्वाब की वजह से ही आगे जाएगा, right? Our trained us, they instilled in us microscopes in our minds. And microscopes, they end up only analyzing faults. That's their permanent ability, right? Whereas what should be there in our mind is something called as telescopes. Telescopes help us see beyond the vision, and they help us see the stars also, right? Okay. It's an engineering college. It's a very prestigious engineering college. My work gets me to travel to some of the finest names and do my workshops out there in IIMs and IITs. And let me tell you, 90% of the people who take up PCM at the level of +2 and end up doing engineering, 90% of those, after 4 years, they end up at a similar kind of a place, a similar name, Infosys or TCS, you know, similar name. And there's something more similar further. They crib. 100% of them crib after getting in there, right? 95% of the people who join the first year of engineering, in the first year they are very cool dudes. You know, they say, we want to crack GMAT. By the second year, now they want to write CAT because they know there's a work-X involved. Initially they were misinformed. By the third year, the placements are near. Now I want to pick up a public sector job. Right? By the fourth year, the kida of being an entrepreneur is already there in their mind. Mujhe entrepreneur bhi banna hai. You know? And they carry this confusion to everyone, to the professors, to the seniors, to people like me, right? And they seek a sound advice out of us. And what they get is 90% sound and 10% advice. Right? समझ नहीं आता उनको कि सुने किसकी, गर्लफ्रेंड की सुने, माता पिता की सुने जिनका सपना कुछ और है, या अपने दिल की सुने. इसका फायदा कौन उठाता है? इसका फायदा उठाते हैं ब्रांड्स जो मार्केटिंग कर रहे होते हैं, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स, राइट, और कॉफी शॉप्स. मैं शॉपिंग तब करता हूं जब डिप्रेशन में हूं, कर लो, राइट, राइट, ना ना ना, you know, what is happening is that in this confusion, this maze, in this myriad, we are somewhere losing out on the purposefulness in the business, right? A lot of us, they pick up hobbies like guitar in college, you know, guitar, you know, yeah, right, okay, or for that reason, gymnasium, shabba, right, or For that reason, or photography, some of them become photographers. They pick up these hobbies, but they fail to carry on. They leave them in the middle. That's because initially they picked up these hobbies out of making an impression and not out of passion. Right? 90% of the people in the engineering colleges are feeling bored. They're so bored with the present, they just want to go out. They just want to pass out. Isn't it unfortunate? Right? The reason, the irony is that our default settings are such, our default settings of a brain are such that they're always thrusting us away from where we should be. I'll give you a small example. A lot of us purchase gadgets, the new iPhone, the new iPad, the BlackBerry. We purchase gadgets without even realizing the functionalities, 50% functionalities involved in those gadgets. What is the purpose of keeping smartphones if we don't use them? So many of you would be going in the evening by your TV sets, and out of those default settings would be switching on the IPL. I didn't say IPL, right? Just because default setting, match chal raha hai, dekh lo. How would a Maninder living in Bathinda be benefiting out of a Pune Warrior versus Rajasthan Royal? Default setting. We listen to the FM radio, whatever is coming, any song. Sunny Enclave Kharad, Aapke Sapnon Ka Ghar, right? Now, whatever is coming, we keep on listening to them. Default setting is that. However, we could just be switching on an iPod or a CD, whichever we want. That's a customized setting. We forget our customer setting. A lot of my relatives, right, they worked so hard in their lives to purchase properties. What is the purpose of those properties if they don't cherish those properties in their lifetimes? Right? So many, Diwali happens, a Holi happens, we send those forwarded SMSs on Diwali. May thousands of lamps illuminate your, we tag people, may colors of life bloom. We don't even read and we send it. What is the purpose of that? You need to question what is the purpose of all of this. Did anyone question the purpose of the ghodi in the Indian marriage? Did you even check whether it's a ghodi or a ghoda? Right? What is the purpose of a Mandira Bedi or a Shiva doing in DLF IPL with noodle straps and commenting of Divana Banade? Right? Right? Purpose of purpose, no one questions, Right? Everything is just going on, I guess the way we are working is not working. I'm not cynical, I'm just asking a few questions aloud. Right? The way we are working is not working. I think out of all the abilities that my generation that we have lost upon, the ability to feel rested is the biggest ability of those. Our mind is never at rest. Right? Even if when we are happy, we are not fully happy. जिस दिन हम बहुत खुश हों उस दिन टेंशन होती है, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, कुछ गलत होगा पक्का. We don't even sleep well. We don't even sleep 100%. Right? When we eat food, we don't eat food. We eat the emotions or the thoughts while we are thinking. खाना नहीं खाते हम, जो सोच रहे होते हैं ना वो खा रहे होते हैं. We've forgotten the ability to feel rested. We are overreacting. We are mired in people issues and controversies. Right? We've forgotten, how to slow down. We are so busy doing things that we've forgotten what actually we are trying to do out in this business. We are treating life as if it were an emergency. एक ट्रक के पीछे लिखा हुआ था, जिनको जल्दी थी वो चले गए. Right? We are failing to take care of ourselves, which is leading to reduced health, reduced vitality, reduced energy, and reduced prosperity. And then we say, take care. What the hell, take care? Right? I guess the way we are working is somewhere not working. We need our minds. Our mind, it needs noise continuously. Our minds need to be engaged continuously somehow in some way. जितना टाइम हम फेसबुक और ट्विटर और इंटरनेट पे बिताते हैं, नॉर्मल टाइम नहीं, स्वाद टाइम, चस्का टाइम, उसका आधा टाइम भी अगर हम शंकर भगवान या वाहेगुरु पे बिताएं तो वो शंकर भगवान खुदा के फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजें, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट. Right? We just want those words, Right? Even on a Sunday, right? We have Sundays, so that we feel relaxed. Even on a Sunday, our brains, they function like Monday mornings. We never at rest. What is the purpose of that Sunday? Right? Sunday का काम हमारे हिंदुस्तान में ये तरीका है, जितने काम पड़े हैं निपटा लो. या फ्रेंड से मिला, उनकी नेगेटिविटी ले आओ साथ में। हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी नहीं होता है, right? You know, we are failing to identify the purpose of the basic things that we're living in, you know. What is the purpose of we living in the best city of India? That is Chandigarh. Let me congratulate you guys. A lot of people are envious of you. You're living in the best city of India. But before you clap, what is the purpose of living in the best city of India if you do not appreciate the hues, the colors, the falling leaves? What is the purpose if you don't go to the parks? I go to the parks, either you find the old people or the very young children. The young ones are either behind the jadis, or they're waiting for a Reebok shoe to run on, which you don't get. You go to the lakes, you'll find, I don't know what the hell the youth is doing. They are neck grazing each other. What's the point of living in the best city if there's no purpose of living in the best city? We're falling in love very easily. Can I have some water? Could I ask for water? We're falling in love very easily and very, very frequently too. And let me tell you, let me vouch, every time it's a true love. मूवीज ने, जो हमारी हिंदी मूवीज हैं, हमारे की मदर सिस्टर यूनिफिकेशन कर रखी है, मां बहन एक, राइट राइट, राहुल्स, मायास, दिस दैट, साला कुछ बचता ही नहीं जो कहे यू कैन लिव योर लाइफ विदाउट अ बॉयफ्रेंड और अ गर्लफ्रेंड. एवरीथिंग इज वांटिंग अस टू गेट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप, राइट? People are seeking, the young generation is seeking magic. They're not seeking logic. Like you can see a flirty look present on the faces of most of you. I'm sorry, yes. Right. The mind is wanting whatever it wants, even if it's non-logical or lesser logical. Look at what's happening around. Who are models? A Deepika Padukone, after 2 public breakups, gets along with a rich guy. I'm sorry, an ex-rich guy. Right. And a Shahid Kapoor and a Ranbir Kapoor. They're having public breakups, and that is considered as a qualification enough for them to be considered hot enough. He had 2 breakups. There must be something in him. Right, you know. 365 days of cricket, non-stop movies, non-stop music, a beep sound every 5 minutes. I wonder, are we leaving any for the young minds to ever be at rest? I don't think so. What is the purpose of this media, which is just going wanton and nothing and nowhere else? Let me give you a small story. There was this farmer who had a dog, who used to sit at the farmer's house and used to run behind every car which was going by the street. He used to follow every car, try to catch hold of every car, bark at every car. The first car went, the second car went, the third car went. One fine morning, his neighbor asked him, "Boss, do you think your dog will ever be able to catch hold of the car?" The farmer replied, "I do not know if he'll ever be able to catch hold of the car, but I'm wondering if at all he catches hold of the car, what will he do?" Most of us are like that dog, running after purposes or goals which we even don't know whether they are true to us or not. Excitement, right? What is the purpose of purpose, which you need to ask yourself out of everything that you're doing in today's life? Whenever I've felt useless, trust me, ladies and gentlemen, I've always believed I've used it less. Right? A general tiredness or fatigue, right? Lesser sleep, no sleep or too much of it, obsession with sex, daydreaming. This is the leitmotif of today's youth. What is the reason? If you were to ask me to comment on the reason, there are only 3 reasons for it. Reason number 1, either you don't have a right goal in your life, a goal which will wake you up in the middle of the night with excitement, which will drive you, which will propel you, which will be a suction point for you, which will allow you to make some changes in your workplace. Either you don't have that right goal in your life, or you have chosen a wrong goal, or you have chosen a right goal, but you're not being propelled enough. अंदर से एक momentum नहीं आ रहा उसकी तरफ प्रेरित होने के लिए. इसके अलावा और कोई कारण नहीं है हम क्यों परेशान या खज्जल हो रहे हैं. The biggest problem with us in today's generation is that when we set goals, we only set career goals. Just like putting all your money into one stock or into one commodity. Let me give you a code now, a clue now. A lot of people ask me, because of the kind of profession I am in, they seek advice out of me, hoping that I can give them an advice which would not require much courage. Can there be some advice without courage? Right? You want to have goals? Have a diversified portfolio of goals. Don't only have career goals. Have fitness goals. Have hobby goals. Have relationship goals. Have personality goals. So that if any of the 5 stocks goes down in the market, in the career market, in the life market, the other 4 stocks lift it up. Your mood doesn't go so down that, if you invest only in career, look at the people out here, so many young budding engineers, they're so much obsessed with career. Suppose this stock falls, somehow it doesn't materialize, what will you do? Who will rescue you out? In that time, your other portfolio is going to help you out, rescue you out, and take you out. Unfortunately, we connect middle class with money only. हमें लगता है मनी के हिसाब से मिडिल क्लास ही जानी जाती है. अरे क्यों यार? You could be a high net worth individual in your energy, in your attitude, in your fitness, in your relationships, in your vitality, in your smile. The sexiest apparel that you can wear is just smile. लोग जल जाएंगे, भुन जाएंगे, ढिचकियां वहीं पे have a smile. Right? Why only you connected with money here? Right? You might have tried. It is almost 3.5 months of 2012. You might have tried addition, multiplication, division. So many operators. For the next 9 months, try simplification and see your life changing. Trust me, life is more beautiful than you think it to be. Only when you know what are those 3 things which you require to do in your life. Most of us are squandering an energy in doing those extra 15 things. वो काम ही क्यों करना जिसको शायद करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Right? If you enjoy your online time more than you enjoy your offline time, you have to ask yourself, कुछ ना कुछ fight चल रही है life में, कुछ ना कुछ कीड़ा पक्का चल रहा है life में. The sexiest people are the ones who have got peace and tranquility and confidence written on their body languages. बाकी सब item लोग हैं. जो मर्जी कर लो, लेकिन item लोग हो गए आप. Right? I believe that goal setting or purpose setting is a continuous activity. जैसे आप एक माली हैं, आपने क्यारी बनाई है, गार्डनर हो आप. अगर आप, if you're not an active mali, if you're not an active gardener, always tending to your khet, what will happen is that the weeds would come up. And the weeds don't need water or fertilizers to spring up. They would grow on their own. It is similar analogy to our goals in life. If you're not actively managing your goals, looking into your goals very regularly, very religiously, very scrupulously, very meticulously, what will happen is that you'll have to get out those weeds before you feel free about moving forward. You will never be able to travel light if there are weeds along. Travel light. हमारी जिंदगी की एक सबसे बड़ी विडंबना ये है कि सामान 100 बरस का है और पल भर की खबर नहीं. एक टेम्परेरी से जिंदगी में हमें सब कुछ परमानेंट चाहिए. Right? Travel light. Ladies and gentlemen, drop your emotional issues, those baggages. Travel light. You'll feel more focused for your purposes in life. If you're traveling heavy, if there are baggages which you're carrying, the earlier you resolve them, simple is better than complex, and slow is better than fast. Right? Next thing which I firmly believe in is that the theory of linkages, which is nothing but link up that you're doing, right, to whatever you've chosen your goals to be. If what I'm doing is not taking me towards my goals, trust me, it is taking me away from my goals. Right? Simple as that. If it's not adding up, please subtract it. If it is not making a good human being or taking you towards your goals, it's not worth it. Right? Have a macro view. For example, अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, मुझे उस मंदिर की चोटी पे जाना है, वहाँ पे लाइट जग रही है, मुझे रास्ता नहीं पता, I'll keep on traveling in that direction. Somehow I will reach. अगर रास्ते में एक so called opportunity आएगी, ये देखो रास्ते में एक बहुत मस्त pub है. I'll think about it whether it is in my goal. Since it is not, howsoever exciting it might be, I will not go towards it. So have a larger view helps you keep care of the smaller view. Right? Put your horse blinders on. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका जो यूनिक गोल है, बाकी लोग आपके सहपाठी बहुत आगे निकल गए हैं, and your timing is not arriving, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, your timing may not be the life's timing. Your timing could be a little later. राइट, कीप योर ब्लाइंडर्स ऑन। ये ले देकर मालिक ने हमें ये एक नजर ही तो दी है, फिर क्यों देखे दुनिया को किसी और की नजर से, राइट। मंजिल मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी, भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो हैं जो घर से निकले ही नहीं, राइट। You know, it's about feeling that, boss, you can find it out. It's about feeling that momentum within your own self. On the road to finding a purpose, one thing which will help you is your ability to handle your critics or criticism. We just want, we so much, कोई हमारी praise कर दे हम कितने खुश होते हैं. We want praise. Like me, sir, please. Right? आप किसी भी लड़की की praise करो, ma'am, you're looking so pretty. What will she say? क्या? ऐसा नहीं कि वो बोली है, she wants it एक बार फिर से बोलो, right, ना? But we want praise, but we cannot handle criticism. जो हमें criticize करे वो हमारा नहीं है, especially in Punjab. छड्डा गानी, right? की क्या सी, right, ना? Okay, now we can't handle. Now, if you really have got a bigger in life, if you've really chosen that you want to really make it very big in life, then it is your ability to handle critics and criticism which will really help you out. The best way to take revenge is to become fabulous in your own life. That's the best revenge. Get so busy becoming fabulous that there's no time left to answer people. In fact, let me tell you, the haters are nothing but confused admirers. They are assisting you with your marketing. You don't have to throw stones at every dog that barks at you. Right? Get so busy becoming fabulous that, in fact, some of the best people in my life I met when I was trying to make smart progress in my life. If you're on the road to progress, दुनिया का दस्तूर है चढ़ते सूरज को सलाम. If you're making progress, the right people come to you. If you're not choosing to make progress, but you're obsessed with people and people issues, even the right people will exit out of your life. They'll be shown the e-grace. Right? Simple as that, yeah. You will never be seen and heard if you follow the seen and the heard. सोचने वालों की दुनिया वालों की सोच से थोड़ी सी भिन्न होती है, अलग होती है. If you're keeping on doing what you hate to do, trust me, ladies and gentlemen, it's a very high price for a tag called as paying your bills. Right? If your work is not an extension of your personality and you're just still dragging it, keeping on doing it, it's a stupid price for just paying your bills. Ask yourself, do you feel abundance, joyfulness, value unlocking happening in your career? Let a price tag not buy you out. Let the security of a money not purchase you out. Trust me, it will be a hopeless deal. Do not compromise. You're all that you've got. Right? Go, have a heart-centric approach. No one wants to know the qualification of a confident person. If you're confident, your qualifications do not matter. Just go ahead. It is your idea which will strike gold for you, not your qualifications. Agreed. Qualification will help you achieve that emotional competence and spiritual competence and IQ level in the life, but an idea which will take you through forward more. Confusion is the beginning of clarity. I always believe if you're confused, you're normal. Clarity would not come to you. You have to go to the clarity. And how would it happen? By making more mistakes. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, अकल जो है वो बादाम खाकर नहीं आती, वो ठोकर खाकर आती है. Right? Make more mistakes. The more the mistakes you make, the more you're likely to learn. But whenever you fall down after making a mistake, pick up your learning along. Don't miss on the learning. Don't make newer mistakes, not the same mistakes. Right? If you're thinking, even after doing all this, I'm not getting my answers, trust me, no one has the answers. Keep your directions right. Answers will come on their own. शक्ल तो आपके भी जहन में होगी कोई ना कोई. स्केच बनाते रहिए, एक दिन पोर्ट्रेट बन जाएगी. Right? Keep on moving. The answers will come. They have to happen to you. एक बल्ब है, एक तार है जिससे ये बल्ब भी जल रहा है. उसी तार से जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जा रहा है वो एक एसी भी चला रहा है. My question to all of you in here is that what are you letting your electric current light in your life? Do you just bulb a 40-watt bulb with electric current, or are you letting your electric current amplify getting amplified onto a bigger instrument of your life, a heart instrument of your life? What is it that you're trying to light up your life? Right? It's one life, guys. You just cannot afford to be mediocre, and it's your own life. It's not your wife that you can afford to be mediocre. Right? Choose what you want. You can have excuses, or you can have wealth, you can have prosperity, and you can have all the joys of your life. You can have excuses or something else. The choice is yours. Because Punjab Roadways की बस पे लिखा होता है, अपने सामान की खुद जिम्मेदार है. Right? Learn the art of dissipation of your energy. Stopping the dissipation of your energy. आपकी energy कितनी जलील मुद्दों पे waste होती है? You know, in regrets of the past, in excitements of the present, or in the uncertainties of the future. If you can stop the dissipation of your energy, let me tell you guys, you have stored that energy to make a meaningful impact towards the purpose of your purpose, towards your goals. Right? A great idea can happen anytime to you. But for that idea to happen, you need to get fearless. If you're not fearless, if you're not clear about your life, the ideas will not happen to you. You want to see magic in your life? You really want to see magic in your life? Pursue your goals with deepmost passions. Let me tell you, nature will communicate to you how to achieve your goals. But the problem comes that when nature is communicating to you, you're too busy on your Facebooks or on your Blackberries or in the complicated relationship statuses of your life. You don't want to listen to whatever nature is saying. You cannot become a rock star till the time you believe that you're already a rock star somewhere. You have to be believing in yourself. Right. Lastly, the most important thing as I conclude is a small poem which one of my favorite poets said about purpose of purpose. He wrote, I'm running, running, running and running. I do not know where, I do not know why. O embodiment of peace, grant me some solitude for a few moments so that I could rest upon, I could reflect back at myself, I could meditate upon you, so that after that I run faster but in the right direction with an increased focus and with an increased vitality. There's no point running on a road which is not on the road to your purposes. आज बैसाखी का दिन है, सच्चे पातशाह गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी ने बहुत बढ़िया गल की है, एक आख्या है, चिड़िया नाल बाज लड़ावा ता गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी नाम तरावा. Right? If you don't believe in yourself, why would someone else? The purpose of your life is validating your entire existence. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You were outrageously active and manly alive. Thank you very much.